There's good news for Thar fanboys because the standard 3-door Thar has been updated. It's not a complete overhaul, but it does get some changes that make the car look better and makes life in the Thar much easier. You get two new colors, Tango Red and this Battleship Grey. You also get a body colored grille up front. From the side and from the rear, the Thar remains the same, but you do see something peeking out of there, and that is the rear wiper that has been added now, and also a new reverse camera over here. So the interior layout remains the same as before, but as I mentioned earlier, you do get some changes that makes life much easier. First up is this 10.25-inch touchscreen that gets wired Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You also get the sliding armrest similar to the Thar Rocks now, and the window switches have been moved from here to the door, and you also get a cup holder. But the four biggest changes on this car are on this side. Number one is this grab handle for the A-pillar. This was really required. Number two is the petrol lid release button. Earlier you had to put the key in and open the petrol tank, but that's not the case anymore. Number three is the steering wheel. It's a good steering wheel similar to the Scorpio N and the Thar Rocks, and you do get two new indicator stalks as well. Number four is the dead pedal over here, and this was really required too. Now short driving trips or even overlanding becomes much easier. Life at the back has become better too because you get a Type-C charging port and rear AC vents. So we're testing the Mahindra Thar 3-door at the Mahindra's Off-Roading Academy in Igatpuri, and if you've not been here, you really should come here. It's a blast and the obstacles that they have are really good. We're getting onto the track now. So the Thar sheer abilities, off-roading abilities, 4x4 modes, everything remains the same. You do have a second gear for 4 high, 4 low. But what makes life much easier now is the Adventure Statistics Gen 2 display. This one is similar to the one on the Thar Rocks, and it gets off-road, on-road and racing display. So you can set your 0 to 100 kmph times or your lap time around a circuit too. So the ramp over angles, departure angles, water weighting capacity remains the same at 650 millimeters. But with this new steering wheel, getting into obstacles, out of obstacles is much easier now. The wheel is much lighter and it's really easy to maneuver over all kind of obstacles. Alright, I need to put it into reverse here to make this tight turn, and that has become much easier too because of this new reverse camera with guided lines. The Thar is also only available as a hard top now. The soft top option has gone away, but it continues to get the petrol and the diesel engines. Powertrain options remain the same as before. You get a 2-liter turbocharged petrol engine and a 2.2-liter turbocharged diesel engine. It's also the one we're driving today, and it makes 130 bhp and 300 Newton meters of torque. It's made it to this Ice and Source 6-speed automatic transmission, and you also have a 6-speed manual transmission option. We're devouring this off-road course at the Off-Roading Academy, and the Thar does it perfectly. I also like the two new colors that have been added to the lineup. The earlier red wasn't really nice. It was kind of a blood red and not very popping. I really like the Tango Red, but my favorite is this Battleship Grey, and that's why I picked this car today too. I loved it when the Thar Rocks was launched, and it looks equally as good on the Thar too. We at Evo India love our Mahindra Thars. We almost always have either a 3-door Thar or the Thar Rocks in our fleet, and we use it for multiple long trips, overlanding, have taken it to various obstacle courses, have been here to this off-roading academy many times, and the Thar has always been so good, and everything remains. Alright, that was it. That was our drive review of the Mahindra Thar. In terms of pricing, the new pricing hasn't been revealed yet on the day we're driving the car, but it still remains accessible because of the rear wheel drive variant option. You already know how good the Thar is, and everything remains same as before, but this doesn't need to be a secondary or tertiary vehicle now. It can be your primary vehicle too because of all the updated tech and features. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Do drop a like, share the video with like-minded enthusiasts, and comment below if there are any more features you wanted to be added in the Thar. This is Zubin Veera signing off.